Hello, I just wanted to show you, if you've gotten one of my tree toppers, this is how I want you to apply them to your tree. And this one actually is my Halloween tree topper that we made in Terry's Wreath Works. It was one of our projects that we did, and I think it's a beauty. And my tree is about, oh gosh, I can't remember. I'm about 5 foot, so I'm thinking maybe it's about a 6 foot tree. And this is the size of my tree topper. You can see I've got a big long stem here, and that's to help provide some stability for this because it is heavy. And so what we're going to do, we're going to insert, or we're going to apply it. We're going to bring it down about here again to help with stability. I'm not going to put it way up here because it's going to make it kind of top heavy, okay? But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my my stem here, and I'm going to take my branches off of my Christmas tree here, or my tree, and put this right up against the trunk of the Christmas tree, and then I'm going to take those pine branches and twist it around the stem, and then I'm also going to add some zip ties, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I've already kind of made a channel down through here, so this stem will fit down into here, but go ahead and get this started. And as I said, I don't want it way up high at the top. I want to be able to have that trunk provide some stability all the way down, okay? Just hunting for a branch here. And this tree has lights on it already, so some of these branches have lights on them. So that's why I'm having to kind of dig and find one that does not. Okay. Then I'll get it up here up the top. And you know, your tree topper doesn't have to be this elaborate. A tree topper can be something as simple as just a bow. And I've done that in the past. All right, get that arranged. I'm even going to get it up here at the very, very top. Okay. You can kind of fuss with it, get it where you want it. Let me raise this up just a little bit. Okay. Okay. And you can use those bows or those evergreen needles to hold your bow in place. Don't be bashful about doing that. Get all your ribbons and I'll probably trim some of these ribbons down. Don't think that they're going to be staying like that necessarily. Okay. All right, now I'm going to put some zip ties. Okay. Two more of these.